So I'm Eby with Eby Exteriors, and we're back here in Landisville, PA. We're wrapping up a project for this homeowner. It started out as just a basic deck that we tore down, and you can see we built this beautiful new screen porch. Evan and Matt are here working. We're going to be wrapping up today or tomorrow. We are waiting on some storm doors for the screen porch as supply chain issues continue to affect everyone. You can just see this beautiful new screen porch and deck here to the side with a nice set of stairs. This spring the homeowner is going to get the landscaping redone, and we're going to come back and show you this in its finished state. But a lot of really cool features here. And again, just to show you the view these folks have from their deck, takes you out across the beautiful Lancaster County farmland. Wind is kicking up. We're here in late February, but it's 60 degrees today. We're enjoying that. So if we come up the steps here, you can get a little better look. Tying in the old siding. Again, there's Evan and Matt working hard at it. You can see the vaulted ceiling, new fan. And just wanted to point out the screening. That's a 12-foot wide section of screen. With the product that we use, the Screenease product, we're able to make that large of an open span of screen, which just keeps the protection from the bugs, but really makes it feel open, as you can see. So that's been a great product. A lot of our clients have really enjoyed. So again, hope you enjoyed this little tour. If you need something at your house for a great outdoor living setup, Eby Exteriors is a company to call.